Good morning, Texans. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, 2020, and it's time for our morning announcements. We'll start with our Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now to the great state of Texas. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. And now we'll observe our moment of silent reflection. Lots of announcements for seniors today. We're getting ready to do some things to get you celebrating. One of the things that we need you to do is get your scholarship offers to counseling. Get them to your counselor, get them to a counselor, get them to Miss Charlene Jackson, who is the counseling assistant. One of these ladies needs you to get your scholarship offers, just a list of your offers to the counseling office so we can include that in our legacy awards that are coming up. Graduation honor cords are going to go on sale today. They will be sold online. We'll determine pickup methodology at a later date. But if you want to go ahead and order your graduation honor cords, that information will come out to seniors today. And so be ready for that. Our legacy awards will be posted online May 22nd. We'll be in the process of producing that, putting that together. It'll be a recorded ceremony that'll be available to you online, and we'll make that available to you sometime on the date of May 22nd. More information to come on that. And then our Night of Excellence. This is our underclassmen award. Legacy is for our seniors, and then the Night of Excellence is for our freshmen, sophomores, and juniors to make sure that we honor you for all of the work that you've done this school year. And so those will be made available online May 21st. And one more announcement, because our assistant principal, Mr. Barnhart, is always so good about sending emails to students and staff wishing them a very happy birthday. I want you guys to know that today is Mr. Barnhart's birthday. So if you have a chance to give Mr. Barnhart a shout out on Twitter or send him a note on email, I know he would appreciate that. He's always recognizing our birthdays, so why not recognize his? Among our admin team, we call it National Ryan Barnhart Day. That's what we do. So anyway, happy birthday to Mr. Barnhart. Those are all the announcements I have for you today. Texans, I love you. I miss you. I look forward to seeing you again soon, and I hope you make it a great Tuesday.